this bird and another bird just started playing with me and the cats. And they started flying in circles and playing while I was playing with the cats out here. And it was a red bird and a sort of brownish blue bird. And they started playing and flying in circles. And the red bird, or cardinal, perched on top of the building. And this bird is still out here above us right now. And curious, just looking at us. It was really cool how these birds just wanted to play with me and the cats. And it's still just looking at me. It acts like it wants to land on my hand, but I'm holding the phone, so... Anyway, maybe they'll be out here again another day. I just thought I would share this. I thought that was really cool. How these birds wanted to play with me and the cats. That bird has kind of a slant in its eye. Anyway. I don't know. It was really cool. I've never had that happen before. Well, not that in particular, not birds and cats playing together, but that was really something. This bird is literally right above me right now. What's weird is you can only see the reflection of its eyes in the camera. You can't actually see it in person. But anyway, there it is. Wish the red bird would come back.